Wondershare Filmora coupon code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on Wondershare Filmora coupon code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Wondershare Filmora is a video editing software. It aims to facilitate smooth content creation for whomever uses it, whether they be an in-house creative or a YouTuber. It works well on its own, but can be integrated further into your workflow with third-party platforms like Adobe Creative Cloud and Google Drive. Filmora is ideal for beginners because it is user-friendly, drag-and-drop software. So, to get the coupon code, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Wondershare Filmora coupon code. You will then see a variety of options in here. Simply select the best suited option for you or choose the option that can be of great use to you. I will select this option and as you can see, I can now get up to 30% discount on my final checkout. So, this was about Wondershare Filmora coupon code. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.